All right, we are bringing it back. The exhaust kit is here. This is the Speed Engineering 3-inch builder kit. That's what they call it. They send you 2 pipes of each. They send you 2 pipes of each. They all got different bends. It comes with this X pipe. This one. But I got this one too. Because I needed the straight outputs instead of the sideways outputs. The only thing is we're gonna use this one, but we're gonna chop these off and we're gonna put they're gonna get welded on, but I have to have OTM weld them for me because I don't TIG. I actually don't weld, but we're gonna cut the ends because we're not doing slips, we're doing full weld. And I got a whole grip of V-bands, so if it needs to be serviced somewhere down the line, it can be taken all apart. So we're gonna start that. We're gonna start with the driver's side. Then if we got time, we move on to the driver's side. But remember, it's just gonna be tacked, so we can get it out to OTM. So you can weld it up for us. What else I was gonna show you guys? Everything's from Speed Engineering, even the X pipes. The little curved one comes with the kit. The long one is an extra piece that I add to the order. I got 2 other mufflers with a center inlet and the offset exhaust port. Y'all gonna see that later on why I chose it like that, because they're gonna go straight up like this. But that needs to clear the battery box, so that's why they down. Okay, I got their hangers, their bushings, their V-bands. This is part of the kit too, but I guess it's to connect to like a 2-inch pipe. These are all V-bands. I got JDM. This is for the cold side, but we're gonna focus on the hot side today. I'll show you the V-bands for the cold side, but those are aluminum, and there's no way for me to even try to do aluminum. We went to Harbor Freight and bought one of those Hercules. What's the name of those? I guess it's a portable bandsaw. Their stand, the bandsaw, their blade. It comes with blades, but I bought the 18 tooth because I want it to be nice and crispy cuts. And it says for stainless steel, and it's a cobalt instead of the regular one that comes with the tool. If Harbor Freight's looking at this, I'm the reason you bought that yacht. See all that? It's Harbor Freight tools boxes. I'm the reason he bought that yacht, the brand new yacht he got. I need to put Harbor Freight in my taxes. Speed Engineering, if you're watching this, send your boy a promo code so all these, all my followers on Instagram and on the YouTube thingy, so they can get some discounts. I don't care about being no sponsor or anything. If they can get a promo codes, that'd be best. All right, so we're gonna start. We got the welder over there. We're gonna start mocking up. I gotta set up this thing first. I got my little table, and we're gonna start mocking and taping and hoping for the best, and then we bring it back. All right, we're bringing it back. Getting used to the new case. It was working fine when I had it up and I can control the cut, but like that it goes sideways. It doesn't give you a true cut, like a true 90 cut. So you gotta figure that shit out. That's what took us a long time. We had to figure that thing out, and it went through one blade. but you can see the like lopsided cuts. Sometimes it cuts super straight, and sometimes it give you a lopsided cut. But we still made it work. So you got the straight down pipe going around, V-band going under, and then it comes to your X pipe. And your X pipe's gonna go. I'm gonna cut those ends right there. I should have cut them way before, but I messed up and stuff. But cut those ends, and it's gonna have a V-band, and with the mufflers. So the mufflers will stay there, and the center section, this whole center section, will be removable. It has another V-band on that side. It will be removable in case they need to service something like the trans or whatever. It will be serviceable. The mufflers will stay there. They will go under. The tailpipe of the muffler will go under and will dump. I really wanted for them to finish like around here and dump, so we can get the exhaust out the side, but it's not happening because the control arm right here, the rear control arm, the brace on that side, is gonna block me from doing all what I wanted to do. It's gonna have a crazy bend going back forward, and no. Well, I'm looking at it. Well, I can move the fucking X way forward, like put that X right at the cross member, and the mufflers will be around here then, and I can do that. Danny's not gonna be happy. What? Yeah, Danny's not gonna be happy of me moving everything again, because I redesigned it like 3 times while we was working on it, because this one was gonna come all the way out and then cross over here, and the X pipe was supposed to be further back. So I redesigned it, and I went under the transmission front pan and went this way. That is not going to be happy. We have a little bit of pipes left. We didn't use them all, but they should send more 90s. More 90s, guys. I know I can make a 90 out of all those shits, but you see right here, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, the muffler finish up here. I can dump them down, and both of them come this way, and we'll go out, because the step starts here, right here, at this right here. That's the step. The step for the bed will start there. And I was gonna dump right under the step. I was gonna go like this under the step, but dump down, not to protrude out. It just dumps down like that. The echo will be on the bottom of the step, but I can dump. If I leave it like it is, I can dump straight under the battery and just dump. All I have to do is shorten those two, move the X further up. Oh, on this side you got a straight. Everything is serviceable, even the spark plugs. You can stick your hand in there. Everything is serviceable. With the colors, we didn't. Oh, the motherfucker was super tight. You can take off the starter. It's not gonna be in the way. Everything is serviceable. We just gotta heat wrap those battery cables, and that's it. I gotta put 90s on this water pump outlets. You can still put. Nah, we're gonna put 90s. We're gonna put 90s and have the water lines come up like that. You still got enough room for your AC lines and stuff right there. That's about it. I really wanted to be, completed, and so I can go off to OTM, but we need 90s We need 90s and yeah, mostly 90s. They send a lot of like this, like I want to say the 45s, because that's a 45. You can see another 45. There's another 45. That's like it's not a 180, but it's I don't know, but it's not a 90. And there's another 45. That's another 45 on that side. We need 90s. You see, there's a 90 here, 90 there. There's a 90 there. That's a 45 because we ran out of fucking 90, so we made that work. If not, it should have had a 90 right there. It's gonna come out. It's gonna have a 90 dumped, and I'm hoping to have a 90 going that way, and then a 90 dump. So we need a lot of 90s. So I'm gonna see what kind of other kit they have that includes a whole grip of 90s. If not, the thing is JDM. What is that? Is that JDM? Or what is the name of that company? I don't want to drop it off. It's JMD. Danny. JMD. There it goes. JMD right there. JMD sells 90s, but they hella expensive. And think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 90s for me to cut into scraps. I think it's better to go off with the kit than buying those single 90s. But yeah, that is a 50-50. You gotta learn how to use it and don't rush it. Because I notice if I rush it, it cuts more. It goes like that to the end. And if you let it, just put your hand and let your own hand weight just go down, it will go a little bit. It will curve off. But yeah, that's about it. On this side too, it's nice. You can service everything right there. Right there. I was thinking of putting the what you call it, what you call those shits, the coil packs under there, make a bracket and run them over there. This one has to come through here. This one go like this onto the what you call it, to the cab. Everything is here for that. It's just the cab is not here. We're still waiting on the battery. That brake line is done, going all the way this way. Fuel is done from the pumps all the way this way is done. That's where you got the fuel. You got your injectors. Everything is here. Fuel is done. This is loose. All these are loose because the exhaust is gonna go for a ceramic coat, and I'm gonna send out the tank so they can ceramic coat it. And that should be it. I wish I could have terminated the whole video with the mufflers on, but it's not gonna happen because we still don't have the 90s. So we're gonna finish it here, and then when I get the rest of the exhaust, I just update you guys when the exhaust is done. But yeah, here goes the finger.